In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you set up your project efficiently and get your team aligned from the get-go. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, head over to the Asana website by opening your browser and typing in www.asana.com. If you're already on board with Asana, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. However, if you don't yet have an account, no worries, just click on Get Started or Try for free to create one. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. Next, let's create our brand new project. On your homepage, look towards the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Projects. This is going to be your hub for all your current and future projects. Now, in this Projects section, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Project. Go ahead and click on this button. You'll be prompted with options for creating your project, and you can either select from pre-made templates or start from scratch. Templates can be a lifesaver when you're looking for a bit more structure or inspiration, but starting from scratch offers flexibility to tailor everything to your exact needs. Once you've decided how you want to proceed, it's time to give your project a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so everyone involved knows exactly what the project entails, merely by looking at its title. After naming your project, you'll need to select a project type. Asana allows for different project views such as list, board, timeline, or calendar view. Consider how you want to manage your tasks and choose accordingly. This step is crucial as it determines how tasks and deadlines will be visualized. Moving on, it's time to set your privacy settings. Decide who gets to see your project. Is it something the whole company can view, or should it be restricted to only those who are invited? Asana gives you the flexibility to make your project public or private, depending on your needs. With your project setup done, you can now start creating tasks. This is where you break down the work into achievable actions. Just click to add tasks, assign due dates, and set priorities. It's all about making sure the workload is clear and manageable. Finally, don't forget to bring your team on board. In the last step, you can add team members by inviting people to collaborate on your project. Simply enter their email addresses or choose from your existing team members in Asana. Collaboration is key, and having the right people involved from the start can make a world of difference. And there you have it. Now you're all set to tackle your new project and keep everything organized using Asana. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning.